Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make 3D spatial photos in the Photos app on the iPhone 17 Air. So on the new iOS 26, you have an option that allows you to turn photos into 3D scenes to make them more realistic and kind of spatial, to make them look 3D. And to use this option, the first thing that we're going to do is pick the photo that we want to turn into a 3D image. You can either take one or download one, or just use one that you already have in your camera roll. And then just select the image and tap on this landscape icon on the top right, like that. And then it's going to load in the photo, process it. And if we pick up our phone and just kind of turn it around like this, as you can see, I'm not sure if the camera is picking that up, but the photo does appear a little 3D, as if it's real or three-dimensional. And that's pretty much it. Now, you can also use this on wallpapers. You can change a wallpaper to a spatial photo, and you can do a lot of other things. But that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.